I've seen where other creators have made these for their paint collection and organizing everything, and so I thought it would be cool to make one myself. I need it very badly, so stay tuned to see how mine turned out. Okay, so I have these little crates from Dollar Tree. I saw an idea for acrylic paint holder organizer a few years ago, and I cannot for the life of me find the picture of it. And they did it, and I think it was Creative on the Cheap. I can't remember for sure if it was her or not, but whoever it was, did it so that there was wood here, I think, and it was in a tilt. And then there were 4 different areas. But I can't figure out how to get that to work, so I'm gonna do my own kind of thing. And I saw a similar one of these by Happiness Created, and so I am gonna do kind of my own little type. I don't know, I'm just gonna try and do the best I can. So I've just got my Rust-Oleum linen white paint, and I am just going to give these all possibly 2 coats, because it doesn't look like it's going to cover with one, but it might work with just one. But I'm going to paint all of these white. So I'm just finishing it up here. And it looks like I'm not going to need a second coat, because it's just for me to organize my stuff, and I'm not selling it, I'm not giving it away, so I'm not going to waste my time in doing a second coat if it really doesn't need it. So there we are, and I have 11 more to go. So what I was thinking is I didn't even have to paint this back part here, because that's going to go in the center and you won't even see it. So I might paint just the top portions, just because of what I'm doing at the top. You may see some of it, but the rest I'm not going to bother to paint the back side. I picked up this Lazy Susan at the thrift store, and I paid $3 for it. And I pick them up to decorate and possibly sell, and then sometimes this one in particular I bought for this actual craft. So we're just going to wipe it down, and we're going to paint it white with the rest of the stuff. And it looks like this one is going to require 2 coats of paint. Okay, so I have these 2 cute little basket type wooden pieces that I actually got from Tammy at Happiness Created. She was so sweet to send me a little package with some stuff. And so I'm gonna glue these together after I take this off. One sec. Okay, so we're going to be taking this off. I'm going to, my lid was bogged down or clogged, so I'm just going to use a brush here to brush on some wood glue. It's Gorilla wood glue, so we're going to just glue this together, and then I'm going to put some hot glue on it too to kind of have it set up faster. Put some pressure on it so it sticks together good. There we go. And then I am going to paint all the way around this, not the bottom one. This video is a part of a collaboration with Indiana Jones, and she is hosting Clean-a-Palooza, and it is to organize, clean, straighten, redo, and make your life more simple. So make sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist down below. Okay, so now we get to assemble it, and we need to figure out exactly where they're going to be so it looks even and turns out cute. We don't want it all squampus. So I need a measure tape. Hold on. Okay. So we want it even on all four sides, so that's roughly 3 3/4. Maybe a little bit shy of that. Definitely not there. So we're gonna push it over just a tad. It looks like it's too much over this way. Now we want to make sure it's out on that side. Okay, perfect. So we're going to leave it this way, and then we're just going to take one at a time and put some wood glue on the bottom here. And then some of that Gorilla hot glue. And we're going to place it down where we got it. Hopefully it works. Okay, there's that one. So now the next one. And already it's looking pretty cute. And now I'm thinking I probably should have painted underneath, and I didn't, but oh well. The paint will cover it. I mean, the bottled paint. Okay, next. So I want to stagger them so it gives it more of a cute design instead of all on one side. So I'm going to put this one on this side. So again, I'm just using the wood glue and the hot glue and putting it down and trying to get it as even as I can. These weren't very straight because, you know, Dollar Tree wood isn't very high quality, so it's going to be a little bit off here and there, but for the most part it works out super cute. So I'll just let you watch because it's a repetitive step, so just watch and see how I built it, and you'll see at the end what I end up doing at the top. And I'm sorry, I didn't realize that you couldn't see the top part of this, and I should have scooted it closer towards me so that you could see this very top part, and I apologize. Okay, I'm sorry if you didn't see all of the footage of putting it clear up. I didn't realize it was cutting everything off. But here is what I'm telling you I'm doing. Since there's a gap there, I have went and cut these small little square dowels, and I'm going to trim it off so it makes it look more finished. Has a better look to it. So I'm just going to glue just the edges because that's all that's going to be actually on there. Hopefully it holds up. Can you see? I hope. Okay, so now to get it even, we're gonna try our hardest. To get it as even as we can. I think that's gonna work. And then I'm gonna glue these on and then paint them because it doesn't really, it would probably be easier to do it that way. So we are going to glue these side ones on first since they're shorter. So I'm using wood glue on two sides there so that it will adhere to both the bottom and the side of that top piece. And then I'm just using hot glue in the corner there to kind of help it stay there. And that's what I'm doing all the way around on all of the pieces. good. So then I just need to get my paint and we'll paint the tops here. Okay, here we go. And there we are. And I'll show you in a minute with all the paint in it. Okay, here it is. I think it turned out pretty cute. And here are my brushes on the top in that cute little area there. There's the little trim that didn't turn out too great, but it still covered up the holes. And you can see you can color coordinate all of your paints and then also match them. Like this is my metallics, my Tim Holtz Distressing Ink, and then these are all my terracottas, and then of course group them by color. I just love it. I love how it turned out, and it holds up to, I think I figured out it's 96 bottles if you filled all the areas. So that's a lot of room. So I have more room for more paint. And then I'm going to possibly do some kind of a design around the edge here so that it makes it even more cute. So let me know down below what you think. I think it turned out great. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've made it this far, I appreciate you. And also make sure to watch that playlist with the link down below, and also go subscribe to Indiana Jones. She is so creative and fun to watch. And also, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I want to see more of you, and I hope that you will continue to come back. I bring a lot of fun videos with crafting as well as thrift with me type videos and thrift flip videos. I get a lot of inspiration from the thrifted items to do my crafting, and I do a lot for my own home. So if there's some ideas out there that you're wanting me to create for you, comment down below and let me know what those are. I would love to bring some different types of crafting to you or DIYs, and I just want to make you all happy. So with that being said, I hope that you will have a wonderful day.